G'day, Shah here once again with Four Wheels on the Road, helping you get the most out of your time away. This trip away, once again, we're asking the question, go or no go. We're here at Wivenhoe Day Use area. We're going to take a look at what the place has got to offer. Let's go check it out. Wivenhoe Dam and Wivenhoe Day Use area are around about an hour west of Brisbane. They're very easy to find, and there's actually a couple of different ways you can get out here. You can take the scenic route over Mount Glorious and Mount Nebo, or you can just head out along the highway towards Ipswich. As with all of the Day Use area places around Lake Wivenhoe, you've got these information signs letting you know just where you are and what's around the place as well. We've taken a look at quite a few of these in the past. Places like Billy's Bay, Hayes Landing, Cormorant Bay, Spillway Common, which is a personal favourite of mine, which is only about a kilometre away from here, the entry, and it's just across the dam wall itself. I'll put a link for you on the top right hand side of your screen so you can check that out. Definitely recommended if you wanted to come and take a look at this place and perhaps the Spillway Common. But the great thing about this is that you can take a look at all these places at the same time. All right, go take a bit more of a look around the area. Not really a lot here in terms of facilities. As you'll see on your screen now, there's some porta potties that are just up here to the right of me at the top of the hill, and you've got 3 covered areas here and just the 1 wooden barbecue here. But it's a nice little place to just come and sit by the water. As I mentioned earlier, you've got great access down to the water here, so you can cruise down, check out the water. Kids would have a ball here. Huge spaces, tons of grass areas, and it's really nice and relaxing here as well, which is the main thing for me. You do have the sound of the main road and the cars coming past and all the rest of it, but I mean, it's a fair way away and it's not always busy either. As you'll see behind me as well, large area, and the park itself here goes for a fair amount behind me, so you can actually kind of cruise off and go a little bit around the corner, further away from the road noise and further away from, you know, a great deal of people if there are any here. I've been here during the summertime and, you know, there's not a ton of people here. For some reason, it just seems like the places that are around Wivenhoe, especially this one, even though it's right next to the main road, just don't seem to get any use, which is a little bit strange, but you know, good for you if you want to just come and have a place to just chill and sit by the water and enjoy the place. And if you're doing what I'm doing today and doing a bit of a loop and a bit of a drive around, it's a nice place to just come and chill out and have some lunch and then get on your way again. All right, well, I think we'll go and take a bit more of a look around the place. There is a bit of a lookout here at the auxiliary spillway. It's not really that great to look at, but I mean, you do get a bit of a different view of the dam behind you, and it's an elevated view as well. But it's a nice way to take in a different view of the dam, which is behind me here. Alright, well, that's going to wrap things up for us here at Wivenhoe Day Use area. Let me know what you think of the place in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and most importantly, share the channel. I really do appreciate that. And we'll see you next time we get 4 Wheels on the road.